field to, di ba dati? Pinapakita ko sa inyo yung mga cows. Ayun, nandun. I think, on the other side, baha din. Ayan o. Napuno ng tubig. Dating pan daw yan, tapos nag-dry. Tapos, yung aming basement, ayan. Nabaha na rin siya. Welcome to another vlog. Hi, babe. Now we are going to eat lunch. It's 12:34 already. And there's flood. Paulan ngayon dito. And there's a flood warning. May emergency. Yung nagpa-pop up kapag sa iPhone. Emergency warning. So, may mga parts dito na flooded area. Yun, overflowing. Yung mga Sapa Creek nag-overflow. Katakot. Kaya yun, alert awareness. Yun yung tawag pala na. Here, oh. Oh, here. Is this part of the lake? No, it's just a creek.
No, this up here is the creek. That back there is field.
Ah, this is the creek. Ayun, nag-overflow. Dati walang tubig. According to the weather, it will be rainy today and tomorrow. Actually, it starts last night. The whole night nag-uulan. Kaya, ayan, umapaw sila. Now we're just heading to eat lunch. Probably on Sam's. Kung sarado, probably DQ. Dairy Queen. Ayan o, yung DQ, umapaw na. The dike is overflowing.
Yes.
Even sa bahay namin, baha na sa basement. What do you call it, babe? The land, the soil can't accommodate more water anymore.
The ground's full of water and it won't take no more.
Yeah, the ground full of water. Tapos, for sure, a lot of houses with the basements are having the same problem.
Guarantee it. Saw online where a church basement had flooded.
That's a disadvantage of having a basement. Yeah, water. Sarado ngayon ang Sam's. And we decided to go to Pizza Hut. It's flowing very hard. Are they open?
They don't know. We're about to find out. They should be.
We're here on Pizza Hut. Walang tao, kaya pwede mag-vlog. Kasi there's no people. I'm not shy to do vlogging because there's no people. Sarado yung bar nila, salad bar. And parang isa lang yung nagsiserve, pati cook, siya na din. Waiter and cook. At the same time. Cashier.
Cashier, window person.
I think some people are not coming because of the weather. They can't. We got chicken wings and pizza. Here's your chicken and pizza. What's the flavor?
It's
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Manager's choice.
Specialty pizza.
Sarap. Kain. We are done eating. I got leftover. Hindi namin naubos yung pizza. I know it. He ordered large. And we're so full. Oh my goodness. Suot ko pa rin tong coat from last night. Kasi it's waterproof. Tsaka malamig pa rin today. So, it keeps me warm. Okay lang yan. Aminin nyo, nag-uulit din naman kayo ng coat. Pero yes, lalaban na lang natin yung next day. Pag nag-laundry na tayo. Thank you, babe! We had a second date. We had a second date in Pizza Hut. Ayan. Dito kami dumaan sa kabila para makita namin yung status ng kalsada. Yeah, I think it's a field. Actually, now it has water in it. It's full of water. Field yun eh. Yung mga water na din dun. Ito pond. Sana wala namang ganang baha. Pero, maapaw na yun yung dike. Yun yung dike. We're back home. Ayun yung yung pond. Saan ba? Hindi ko na makita. Kita nyo ba? Ayan Ito. Field to, di ba dati? Pinapakita ko sa inyo yung mga cows. Ayun nandun. I think on the other side, baha din. Ayan Napuno ng tubig. Dating pond daw yan, tapos nag-dry, sabi ni Warren. Pero ngayon, pond na uli siya. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Tapos ito nag-overflow na rin yung sa yard namin. Buti hindi siya baha. Parang stagnant yung water. Ayun. Basa-basa siya. Pati yung field dito sa ito. Hindi naman whole field, pero may mga part na may mga tubig. Tapos yung aming basement, ayan. Nabaha na rin siya. Kaya hindi kami makapunta dyan kasi baha. Hindi ko makuha yung dinryer ko kagabi na coat ni Warren. Pero hindi naman naabutin yung aming washer and dryer kasi naka-elevate sila. Dito lang kami sa bahay dahil, hindi pwedeng lumabas. Hindi pwedeng lumabas. We can, but, on our safety. At probably yung ibang daan is baha. And then we have leftover pizza and my flowers still alive. I'll probably change the water. No, babe?
No.
Or
Put plant food in the water or not. Sometimes they do.
yeah, just the powder to keep it alive. That's what I'm thinking also.
Food, probably plant food.
Yeah, probably. Because the last time, the pink one, they gave us vase in the water, right?
Yeah.
And then I changed the water, it dies.
It's probably got plant.
Okay. So, I will not change it. Let it be. Dahil parang may ano to, gamot. Para long life.
A few moments later.
It's already 6:24 and ito, niluluto ko na yung aking beef steak at naboboard kami ni Mister. Kakatapos lang din namin mag-watch ng movie and then we decided to play Phase 10. Yan, habang naghihintay na maluto ang aming dinner, patayin ko na rin itong kanin. Luto na siya. Ayan.
I'm sorry, I'm still straightening everything up.
What's I don't think?
I don't need that. Or that. Don't really matter, we both got ours now. Set it free enough.
Correcting.
Yep, you can.
That's
Mine
close.
is- Damn.
Oh, I'm done, babe.
That's what I get for trying.
What?
Because this is what I was gonna do if I'd have got that 7. But I
So what?
can't. Now you went completely out, so if you was floating, I could have done it. You ain't floating.
Pangit. Ah! I just need to check my beef steak. I think this is good, babe.
Yeah.
But we can finish that. Pangit, babe.
Yeah, this is horrible too.
Your hands is mabaho. We call it in the Philippines. If you shuffle the cards very bad, your hand is mabaho.
So therefore, you ain't got a good hand.
Me too. Is it okay? Run off. Wait.
I wish.
We are now on our last game. Number 10, 1 set of 5, 1 set of 3. At luto na rin ang ating dinner.
And I'm gonna kick her ass.
No! Hey. Kita mo to?
At the home.
We're about to see who will gonna win.
Yes, we're about to see.
Pag tayo masyadong masaya, baka manalo pa siya. He's going to be a champion. Jen!
Good job,
Dinner time! I win. Good job.